The ETF is minus 8.84% of its 52-week high and 27.65% of its low, and is currently having ATR of 0.98. This year's performance is 9.83%, while this quarter's performance is minus 7.42%. The ETF's YTD performance is 0%, the 1-year is 0%, and the 3-year is 0%. More notable recent SPDR S&P Emerging Markets ETF, NYSEARCA SPEM, news were published by SeekingAlpha.com, which released ETF Price Wars, SSgA slashing fees on October 16, 2017. Also MarketWatch.com with their article, Why the Latest Round of Rock Bottom ETF Fees May Be a Non-Event for Investors, published on October 17, 2017. Bloomberg.com published, Gundlach says short the S&P 500 and Buy Emerging Market ETF on May 8, 2017. More interesting news about SPDR S&P Emerging Markets ETF, NYSEARCA SPEM, were released by SeekingAlpha.com and their article, Emerging Europe, the Cheapest Emerging Region, published on June 29, 2017, as well as Nasdaq.com's news article titled, Dow Hits New Record on IBM Surge. Check out 2 potential buys with publication date, October 18, 2017. SPDR S&P Emerging Markets ETF seeks to replicate as closely as possible the total return performance of the S&P Citigroup BMI Emerging Markets Index, the index. The ETF has market cap of $. The index is a market capitalization-weighted index that defines and measures the investable universe of publicly traded companies domiciled in emerging markets. It currently has negative earnings. The index is float-adjusted, meaning that only those shares publicly available to investors are included in the index calculation. SPDR S&P Emerging Markets ETF. Receive news and ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our free daily email newsletter.